Check out this 1971 Chevelle Resto mod. Tons of money invested. Let's start her up. Here she goes. Big block 548. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, front disc, 12-volt posi rear, sniper, Holly sniper, electronic fuel injection. Just an awesome car. Deep cranberry, black stripes, bucket seats, staple shifter, 3-inch exhaust. Is she awesome or what? Beautiful Chevelle, tons of money invested. It's here at Hollywood Motors and it's priced to sell. You won't find a nicer one for this money anywhere. All done, 500 miles on the motor. Let's look at that. The lines are beautiful.